Forex market, welcome back traders. Friday, just before the weekend kicks in, we want to talk about the Euro Canadian. We've been here just yesterday, right? We talked about the potential for a downside turnaround, and we also pulled the trigger, right? Because we felt that the spike that we saw here, right, a couple of days ago was a strong signal that price was not able to break 55.32. But I want to show you, basically this is what happened yesterday, right? Price started to turn around, but then it actually bounced back up and went straight that 55.32 to break with a daily breakout confirmation, which is very, preliminary kind of breakout. It's unconfirmed yet, but it's a very strong sign. And if you add today, right, just today, we've seen price already start trying to, to flirt a little bit about, with that 55.32. It spiked it a little bit, and now you can see what's going on. Now, we have to wait to the end of the day, right? Because at the end of the day, we're going to have that weekly closing bar. If we're going to have that closing bar above 55.32, that's going to be a huge indication that this is indeed a legit breakout, right? Which means that we would like to flip over. So, even just looking at price right now, that's enough for us to get out from that, short position we got in yesterday, right? Taking a very small loss on the way out because price didn't go too far. And we also had a very minimal position size, right? Because we didn't have the chance to actually build up a big size position. But hopefully now we will, right? So guys, here's the bottom line. We're flipping over, right? We've pulled out. Right after this video, we're pulling back in, but this time to the opposite direction, right? We're establishing a bullish position. Also, as always, starting very, very small because we want to build up on the momentum. And also we want to pick up more and more signs that we are indeed on the right track. So we're firing up, starting small. Obviously today's last day of the trading week. We're gonna have that weekly closing bar. It's gonna be above 55.32. That's great. That's gonna give us that incentive to start and push the position bigger, right? Here's where we think it can go. It can go to 59.17. We've already been there. Price already checked up that that mark and validated that huge key level, and we believe price will go straight to that point and then possibly break out. But that's a different story whether it will or not. We're just going to use that level as a target. So obviously that's a kind of a medium term type of trading opportunity which we're going to try to pursue. All right guys, so we're going to place our stop loss level roughly around 54. We're going to give we're going to give some pricing. I'm going to give it some room if we're going to have some noise. And there you go. Let's see how it goes. Flipping over on the Eurcad. That's big news. We had to come back and let you know all about it. All right, that's about that for this one. We'll be back in the next video. Take care.